Exec Spec. Just wanted to share with you this short video on the Ford Transit Custom Ultimate package that we offer our clients. This consists of a full deadlock kit all around the vehicle. So you've got your high security lock there at the front driver's door. You have cable loom protection as well on both sides of the front door. And then around your sliding door and the rear door, you have the high position deadlocks fitted. And these are hook on both back doors as well. And then we also have the thrust pin, the anti-thrust pin here, fitted to prevent door peel as well. So that's part of the package. And then we do have an aftermarket alarm system that can be added to your vehicle. So whether it be Clifford, Viper, Starline, Cobra, Autowatch, they're all top brands that we offer our clients to just allow that bit of extra vehicle security, prevent your vehicle either being broken into or stolen. This client wanted added features to the vehicle, so he wanted mirror fold and also window closure. So let me just give you a bit of a demo on that. So for example, if we deadlock the vehicle, you get your mirrors fold and your windows close. Now both windows go up. If you now unlock the vehicle, mirrors will stay folded, so you can now go and get your tools out the back, etc. Your mirrors aren't folding back in and out every 5 minutes, especially when you're a tradesman. Now when you do finish and you're ready to go on your journey, jump in the vehicle. As you start your vehicle, you'll see the mirrors fold out again. Including this, we've added roll up as well, so one touch, so you've got one touch roll down and up as well. So if I just quickly, you'll see now the passenger window rolls up with one touch. That doesn't come standard on the Ford Transit Custom. One extra thing that we've done as well is if we now drop, for example, the driver's window, it's a hot day, you want to keep your front cab vented. So we've obviously added the aftermarket security package to this. Now we can just press the valet button once, exit the vehicle, and now when we arm, mirrors will fold in, but your windows will stay down in the position that you left them. This is great for when it's a hot day, you're working localized, vehicles are always in your sight, yet you still want the cabin to stay cool as possible. So hopefully that gives you a quick insight on that. Let me show you what you can do when you've got an aftermarket alarm and add an app to it as well. So another great add-on when you've got an aftermarket alarm system fitted and you've introduced window closure to your vehicle. On this client's vehicle, they've had the Starline package, which also comes with the smartphone app that allows you to be connected to your vehicle. This client wanted the luxury of obviously where he can operate his windows from his app as well. So we added that feature included into his app. So now he can activate window closure, send a command, and now that will obviously close their windows as well. So they don't really have to go back to the vehicle. This will also send them a notification as well to say that that's all done. And you can do the complete opposite as well. So say for example it's a hot day and you're going to be going back to your van, but you just want to keep it cool, so you want to vent the windows. Well, you can just send a command and then the vehicle will vent the windows to allow the cabin to be cool. Same again, you'll always get notification to tell you that that's been completed. So if you'd like any more info, please feel free to drop us a call or reach out, and we'll be happy to give you some really sound advice on your vehicle security.